So, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to the Cause FX YouTube channel where you get your daily dose of pepperonis. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna do a quick analysis on the DXY. Let us start on the 4 hour because we already did the weekly analysis. All you have to do is check on the YouTube channel and you'll get the weekly analysis. So, this is just what I'm waiting for. Ain't this beautiful setups? We are having a softer dollar. As you can see, this is the trade you've been waiting for, and we are just gonna exert a little bit more patience as we wait for price to approach our area of interest and before we can capitalize on the move back upwards. So this entire drop is caused by the softer than usual US CPI readings. Also, we have trade war optimism, and I'm expecting it to actually give us volatility during the first part of next week. Also, currently looking at the euro. As you can see, our euro trade, our first entries, they were intraday, but here are our swing sells. We're expecting price to approach this. We get our entry right over here. Beautiful sells. A 1 to 3 risk to reward would go a long way, and that's what I'm looking for on the euros. But right now, I'm not going to take any trades because the dollar is simply way too soft, and I'm waiting for the positioning. So something like this might happen before we actually get back into our euro shots. Okay, that's why I have no hurry. Sorry, in executing the trade here. Quickly looking at pound USD, we are looking at the British pound. Price is currently in the area of interest as well, so this is why I didn't take any trades because the pound is still stronger. I haven't seen any characteristic of weakness being displayed by the pound, so this is what I'm expecting since I'm waiting for the dollar to go down, get into our demand area. Therefore, this only means an inverse trade on the pound. So I don't know how high it will go, but the climax is 1.4 flat, which is multi-year highs. Therefore, I don't see it approaching it soon. But if it does today or tomorrow, we might see this. Then we'll continue the sales during the next week. I'm still trying to work on a format in a way that I'm gonna be doing analysis on pound, euro, New Zealand dollar. I'll be doing all of them in the Discord, then only uploading the pound, the euro, and the yen. Yeah, because I realized a lot of people trade the yen, but I'll reserve gold, silver, platinum, oil, and my stock trading analysis to the private chat. Okay, so that's that. Let us look at the Japanese yen. Remember, gentlemen, I'm looking for sales, but I'm waiting for this approach for price to approach 0.007. Our analysis is on point. Don't worry about it. We'll look at the valuation tool briefly on the daily. So sorry about that. Your mentor can't afford TradingView Pro, man. That's serious. That's serious, innit? And put me on some bread, blood. Like the video, subscribe, comment. Let bro get some bread as well, innit? That's what I'm talking about. So on the daily, without further chit chat, let us look at our valuation tool. We always look at our valuation tool on a period of 10 days because that's how long trends hold for in the Forex market. Sorry for the background noises. It's nothing I can do about it, you know. So we want to compare the valuation of the Japanese yen against the dollar index. And if we are overvalued, we sell, and undervalued, we buy. Currently, let us look at what we have. We are overvalued, and I'm actually going to look for, this is a short-term overvaluation. Let me look at 30 days or 20 days first. And if you're also overvalued, that will be a really strong sell signal. Okay, we just need a catalyst to drive price down, a fundamental catalyst. So this is what is going to happen. I'm only watching yen drive all the way back here before we see the sells, generational sales. And if you are selling the yen, that means we are buying USD JPY. I hope that concept sat calmly with you, because I tried to explain it in my previous videos, the difference between the futures and the forex pairs. One is basically a derivative, and the other one is the base asset class. So this is what I'm waiting for on UJ. Maybe a drop in the next 2 days. By Monday, Tuesday will be around here. Then capitalize on buys here. Capitalize on these buys. Beautifully sitting at 142 flat before you're seeing the next drive up. And with that, I think I'm coming to the end of today's video. Leave a like, subscribe, make sure to join the free Discord. All these indicators are placed there. Sorry. So yeah, see you next time. Follow my Instagram or whatever drips your chain.